We are like Crypta, we are the biggest Bitcoin community in Argentina. I don't know if there's any other community similar to La Crypta, even in the world, I don't know. We are Bitcoiners or libertarians. We do value more the ideology to separate money from state. We are developers, we created more than 80 repositories. We are committed to open source and we build a lot of stuff related to that.
We have principles, we have a vision, so I think that's what makes us special, in a sense. Special community.
Having a place to use is something beautiful because when we do the events, we kind of like close all the loop. We hug each other, and we like Argentinians, we are really friendly. We need to connect. We need to
kisses.
Exactly, of course. Like even girls and boys, like people say, "Well, what are you doing, man? Like, man, give me a fucking hug." I want to know you, I want to trust you, and I want to share a mate that is, you know, that you already tried. That kind of trust is kind of a ritual, and people do bond each other with these kind of rituals.